And welcome back to another rendition of Hashtag City Cooking Challenge, where today is the third Monday of the month. And yes, we do have another Hunger Action Day. And today's main ingredient was asparagus. That's right. I was like, what do I make today? I'm going to make creamy asparagus soup. But if you're lactose intolerant like I am, I suggest you get your lactate pill on. And here's how I made the asparagus creamy soup.
You have lost your mind if you think I'm not going to use my Instant Pot. So I put everything in the Instant Pot, sauteing right now, getting all those juices together. Added that dry bay leaf right there, a little bit of butter, and better than bourgeois. That's where we're going to make this taste good. Add 2 to 3 cups of water to your Instant Pot, and then we're going to pressurize it until everything is tender to blend. Don't be shy. Keep adding. Add some Philadelphia cheese and some Parmesan cheese if you have some laying around. We're going to make this creamy and yummy, y'all.
And we are back. We got done with our asparagus soup. The way I made it creamy is that I added potatoes to the soup as well, so that way it can have a nice consistency. And here's how it look. Oh, yes. Very nice and creamy. I'll show you. Look at that. Oh my God. Well, so if you're lactose intolerant, like I mentioned, suggest you get your lactate here. So you see I'm not lying. I'm going to get in my lactate. Yes, now it's time to enjoy. This is so good. I never thought I could have asparagus this way. Honestly, it's my first time ever making an asparagus soup. I always like my asparagus grilled, but this is delicious. Like I like the consistency of it. I added half and half. I also some cream cheese and some Parmesan cheese. There's some potatoes in here. There's a lot of asparagus, about like almost 2 pounds of asparagus. And I just cooked it until tender. I seasoned it in my way. I added a lot of seasoning, like salt, pepper, obviously, a little bit of paprika. So good. Paprika, better than bourgeois. Love that. Garlic, onions, and herbs like cilantro and green onions. Everything I actually blended, and look at that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Delicious. Tune in to next time of City Cooking Challenge. Again, you can, when you make any dish from your food drive, remember to hashtag City Cooking Challenge. Until next time.